Hello. Hey, friend. So we've got a Freddo, a Chump, totally underrated and unfocused. Oh, there we go. Then we've got some cute little buttons, and people like to give these to kids, but I don't like kids, so and okay, no, gotta do this. Beauty-a-roo. And in honor of Zara and Gary, we have a curly whirly. That was awful, but next up we got a fudge. Nobody likes the fudge, but I'm gonna eat it. And that's it for our mini selection box haul. I'm gonna go eat all of them with my coffee. Cheers. Okay. I did not come on here to chew in your face. It's really dirty. Better? Okay, so basically I came on to say that I'm really happy. I'm doing really good. I think I kind of half addressed this in my last vlog, but I cut my hair. It kind of needs a cut now because it's been a while, but I didn't get up until like 12:30, 1 o'clock today. I know, but I was just embracing it. I was like, fuck it, it'll be fine. You know, just embrace the lateness, the late start to the day, and just get into it. You got enough sleep, go for it. So did that and got my last assignment in. 4,000 words on globalization and how stupid it is. So that's in. Now I can start studying for my exams, which start on Friday. It's now Monday. I got a nice fancy top on. I got my power boots on. Amongst all the crap and the rubbish. But yeah. These boots, these Chelsea boots, got the like little pole thing on either side. They were River Island summer sale for €18. Never wore them until today. Don't know why. I think I was like waiting for a really good moment or a really good outfit, and I just wore them today. And literally took the tag off them today and like dusted them off. And I really liked them. I felt really good in them. I used to have a pair of Riverline boots that were like even thicker on the platform and stuff on them, and they were like monster boots. They like had chains on them and everything. I felt like a fucking zombie killer. It was class. They split in two because I wore them so much. So these are kind of my replacement at the minute, with a massive chunky heel. And yeah, they always make me feel good. So I'm gonna try and wear them more. And yeah, I'm just gonna dress a little bit fancier today. And I did my makeup. I did my makeup after such a late start. It's super like simplistic makeup, but like I did that, and then I got a nosebleed. I was like, that's definitely karma for like waking up late and deciding I'm still gonna do my makeup. Like, anyway, yeah, talking fast because I'm in a good mood. So yeah, that's my little life update. I don't know if anyone has noticed, if anybody knows me for a long time, but like, look at this chubby face. And look at this. I used to have such a slim face. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat the rest of those sweets and add to this chubby cheeks. Okay, so I can't believe how fast this came. It came in like 20 minutes. I was contemplating this for ages, and I was like, it's gonna take too long, and then I just left it, and then I got really hungry, but anyway, I got it. And I don't think I've ever got a personal pizza. Like, look how small it is. Hold on. Oh, come on. Tiny. Cute though. And I got the cookie. I've heard so much about the cookie. Actually, I'm going to try that right now. Give an old taste test. I know how they look. Oh, she's stuck. Oh yeah. Oh, she's fallen. She's gooey. She's warm. She's delicious. I can fuck with that. Yeah, that's going to be for tea afterwards. Oh yeah. I got a bit of chocolate. I have tea. Is this a mukbang? I've always wanted to do a mukbang. Anybody like mukbangs? Tell me. Then I got wedges, because wedges is really what I actually wanted. That's why I only got a personal size pizza, because whatever. Ooh. Ooh. I got garlic and herb sauce. It's my favorite. And when you get like 3 sauces for €1 or dips. And I was like, I've never had the Caribbean sauce. Let's go for that. And look at what it came in. I have no idea what's in it, what's it like. I hope it's good. But yeah, I'm not really going to do a mukbang right now. But if you guys are ever interested in a mukbang, please like Google it, look it up, or even like look it up on YouTube. I watch like Trish Paytas and Carly Erin and Matt King do it, and I really like them. I actually just enjoy them. I actually hate hearing people eat, so I don't know how or why I like a mukbang, but I really like it. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm definitely going to do one, but it'll be like a video of itself and probably not just me. So yeah, okay, I'm going to dive into this. Squeeze whatever you want out of it. Oh my god. Oh yeah. My exams were grand. Just a lot of stress, a lot of work to do. The whole of semester 1 was really tough. There was so much continuous assessment and then 3 exams, which are really difficult to prepare for because I'm just not very good at preparing for exams anyway. But anyway, that's over. I've had a really nice week of doing nothing because basically I finished on the 15th and that was a Monday. 15th or 16th? One of them. I finished on the Monday and I'm not back to college. It's actually Monday now, so the next Monday. So I'm not back until next Monday. So I had roughly 2 weeks off, like 13 days. And I just spent the last week doing nothing. And I mean nothing. And it's so not like me. And it's so weird. And normally I have to be doing something at all times. And like I'm always busy, always planning, always doing something. But like semester 1 really took it out of me in terms of workload. Like I really did so much work, like blood, sweat and tears. So doing nothing for so long was kind of nice. What can I say? But what I'm going to do now is go upstairs, put a face on and go and get coffee with Sam. And then I'm gonna film a video, maybe like 3 or 4, who knows. I'm gonna film a video to put out tomorrow, so I'm back. I didn't post last week, so okay, so my face is on, my hair is doing whatever it wants today, but that's fine. And I'm about to head off to McDonald's with Sam. I'm gonna get some yummy coffee because McDonald's does the best ever coffee. And we'll go from there. Listen.
Larry. Hello. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, they're kind of cold. Can I put more salt in? Yeah. Or did she just said how salty they were, but
let's add more.
You know me.
Yeah. Do you want me to like tear them or pour them out?
No. No. You have to withhold the hotness.
Okay. So much salt.
You couldn't tell. Woo. I really like that our favourite parking spot is outside Longford Fitness.
Every time we get McDonald's, basically.
Hello.
Hey, friend. McDonald's is a gym. McDonald's is a gym.
He's going to the gym. Yeah. Oh. Hey, play there.
Whoop-oo! Have fun. Have you had lunch?
Yeah.
What did you have?
I had a sandwich. What you trying to say?
Nothing. I've had lunch as well. It's like a snack. A delicious, salty, cholesterol-y snack.
Greasy. I'll do it the right way. I don't know why, but I didn't follow the tab first time. I am the person who
Living
follows
life on the edge.
I'm the person who follows all tabs because I hate when people don't. Like when people open chewing gum at the top without taking the little bit, or like a packet of biscuits and they just slice it open with a knife or something. I'm like, there's a tab for a reason. Somebody designed that. Somebody implemented that design for a fucking reason. It's like the guy who...
Someone's got your back, designers.
It's like somebody, like, remember you said about the guy who designed sugar
Yeah.
packets and you're supposed to like break them in the middle. Did he commit suicide because his design wasn't been
What?
Nobody's using his design properly. Everybody's tearing off the top and just throwing it in. And he was like, nobody wants to use my design as it was intended. And he got really depressed and he killed himself.
Really?
I think so. Do not tell me that.
That's super sad. No, I didn't know that, so I obviously didn't tell you.
Don't make you think next time you're using sugar. Use it properly. Poor guy never got to fulfill his dreams. That very somber.
Yeah. I'm really sad for the guy who designed the sugar packet. Getting closer to me or the chips? Hey.
Hi. We went back around the drive-thru and got a fudge sundae. Fudge must have been super hot.
Healthy snacks.
This is for you.
Oh, thanks.
I was about to feed it to you. Keep looking at me as if, oh yeah, when am I getting any?
Yeah, I was. Hugging all the Sunday. The woman at the counter didn't even give us time to ask for a second spoon, so we have to share.
Me there trying to have a crack and like, hello again.
No. I haven't had ice cream in ages.
That's a lie. I had ice cream yesterday. Oh, that's an apple tart.
Oh.
Good. I took to ask for just this full of the fudge sauce.
The tub, just
Like-
full of fudge sauce.
With like a little whip of ice cream on top.
Can I have a fudge sundae but in reverse?
Yeah. Pretty much. I might ask for that next time. Remember that next time we're here. Class.
Yeah.
You just looked at me in the eye and banged your door off mine! There might not be any black paint on my car!